So if you haven't heard, Kajabi has made some big changes, and one of those changes is increasing in price. Whether you're considering Kajabi, you've been with Kajabi for a while, I want to take some time to share in this video just a little bit about some of the changes that are happening, how it might impact you, and answer the question, is Kajabi still worth the price? I'm Lydia Martin. I launched my business with Kajabi in 2020, and I'm going to share a little bit about why I decided to go with Kajabi and what my thoughts are today. So first of all, what is Kajabi? Kajabi is an all-in-one tool that helps you pretty much run everything you need for an online digital business. Whether you sell courses, memberships, coaching programs, digital downloads, there's so many opportunities here to create, market, sell, and deliver all of these items, which is pretty incredible because there's so many tools out there. And I'm going to tell you why I decided to go with Kajabi in the first place. I remember having that very hard decision when I launched my business in 2020, but I had worked with someone who had pieced together so many different tools. And when I worked with her, she had everything from WordPress to what was Infusionsoft back in the day, lead pages, tools for texting, all different types of things. Honestly, with a separate email service provider and all of the things she was using, she was paying thousands of dollars a month for what was causing total tech chaos. And I remember from that experience that when I launched, I knew I did not want that experience. And so I thought when I launch, I want to look for a platform, a simple tool that is going to tie all the pieces together and most importantly, put all of the price under one plan. That way there weren't going to be extra fees. So after lots of research, I decided to jump into Kajabi. Truthfully, it was one of the best decisions that I ever made in my business. Kajabi gave me everything I needed to launch and scale to the business I have today. So what are the big changes now? Well, for the first time in 10 years, Kajabi is raising their prices. And I truly have been paying the same amount for the last 6 years that I've been with them. And I've been on the growth plan since the beginning. So the growth plan is actually currently the third level. It used to be the second level, but they've added a quick starter level since then. Truthfully, for most people that I help get started in Kajabi, I do recommend basic or growth to start. But growth at the time gave me everything that I needed. It's what I've always had. And the price before this increase was $199 a month or $159 a month if you paid annually. Obviously, the basic and quick starter plans were less, but I'm just sharing my experience because with the increase, I want you to know even in the new growth plan, it's only going up $40 to $50 a month. That's on my plan. So if you're on basic, it's only going up around $30 or so a month. Quick starter, even less. Now, if you've been with Kajabi a long time and you're on the pro plan, you will have to find out what your increase will be. But in general, the majority of people working with Kajabi, getting Kajabi now, are only going to be paying around $30 to $50 more a month. Now, if you're a brand new business owner, that may sound like a big deal. But honestly, when you know what Kajabi will help you earn, it puts it in a little different perspective. And trust me when I say not all-in-one tools are the same. Now, is Kajabi perfect? No, there's not a tool out there that's perfect. Are there people earning money on many different tools? 100%. I really feel like the tool you press into and go all in with, you're going to find success with it. But I knew I wanted three big things when I chose a tool, and one of them was customer experience. Now, the customer experience for me has been key all along. I wanted my members, students, clients to be able to get access to my content easily. I didn't want them ever to have to worry about figuring out passwords, where to log in. And I will tell you, the customer experience has been seamless for me throughout. The second thing I knew I needed, like I said, was the simplicity of everything in one place. Now, do I use other tools? Yes, there are a few other things I use like Canva to create all of our images, but Kajabi is at the heart of it all. And what I love is it's your website, your payment processor, your emails, it hosts your videos, it hosts pretty much everything that you need to create, from landing pages to email sequences, now SMS reminders. There's so many amazing features. You don't need a checkout tool. You don't need another email service provider. You just get Kajabi, and I bet you're going to have what you need. Now, this little increase in pay, is it worth it? Well, the amazing thing is that they did add additional features and benefits for example, all this time I've had access to 15 products inside the growth plan. Now, as a very multi-passionate entrepreneur, 15 products lasted me a very, very long time. But when I launched my membership, I decided to set them up a little bit differently. A lot of my master classes are now sold as individual workshops. So I ended up needing a few more than 15 products. Well, I've been paying an add-on for the last 2 years to have 30 products, and that add-on has costed me $99 a month. So this new change actually saves me money because instead of getting 30 products on growth plan now, you will get 50. This is one of the biggest increases in that growth plan level. And for an extra $40 to $50 a month, depending on if you pay monthly or annually, definitely a plus. 50 products is going to cover you for a long time. And by the way, even if you're on the basic plan, which just moved from 3 to 5 products, there are tons of things that you can create on Kajabi that do not use a product. I'm going to link a blog post below that talks about what counts as a product and what doesn't. One of the biggest changes Kajabi made in this new reveal is that communities no longer count as a product. So if you want to launch a community, you can have as many access groups as you want. They don't count as a product. So most people honestly are only going to need 5 products. But if you're like me and you have a lot of different types of things that you want people to get access to through their library, then a growth plan might be good for you. But the fact that I can get 50 products now and let go of that $99 a month add-on, I know I'm excited. So what else is going to be changing? So there were some changes in the number of contacts that you can have. I believe the basic went down a little bit. So depending on how many people you have on your email list, again, you may need to go to that growth plan, which is now $249 a month or $199 a month if you pay annually. I always tell people annually is the way to go if you can do it, because it's an instant 20% savings every single year. So I know the very first time I bought Kajabi, before I had made a dime, it was a very scary investment. But I really did invest in the annual that first time. And I just set a goal to make that money back as fast as possible. Thankfully, my first launch, I made 5 times what I invested. And all I could think of is I just made my next 5 years of Kajabi, right? And so if you think of it that way, or you plan a launch like right before your annual payments due, it's something you can just pay for, get out of the way, and then you don't have that monthly subscription. So what do I love about Kajabi today? Besides the customer service, besides the all-in-one, I absolutely love the ease of use, meaning they have worked so hard in improving so many of the different areas. I will say in the beginning, it felt like a massive learning curve. And depending on where you're coming from, if you feel like you're tech challenged or tech savvy, it may take you a little bit of time to learn how their builder works, but the builder has made so many improvements. I am loving the new checkout pages, loving all of the new features that they've added to emails and your landing pages. And so I feel it's an easier and easier platform to use than it used to be. So ease of use, the price tag, everything being an all-in-one, that customer service experience, that's what I was going for. And that's how I feel about today. It's still important. It's still working for me inside Kajabi. Now, for anybody who's thinking, $240 a month, or the basic plan is $179 a month, I believe. And so you think $179 a month, what if I'm not making a lot of money right now? I totally am for starting scrappy, but for anybody who's like, I want to do this long term, I'm in, I'm not just here to kick in the tires. I really feel like investing in the right tool is important, because the last thing you want to do is buy a bunch of tools or learn a bunch of tools, and then a year or 2 or 3 down the road, realize it's not serving your business. What are you going to have to do? You're going to have to start all over. You're going to have to migrate everything. You're going to have to learn a new platform. And personally, that is time, money, and frustration. So I knew when I started, I wanted something that would grow with me, that would work with me now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. And that is exactly what Kajabi has been for me. So if you have any questions at all about the different plans, I'm going to put a link below. I am a partner with Kajabi, which means I've had the privilege of helping many people get launched on the platform. I love supporting my partners, and we often get opportunities to share special promotions. So again, be sure to click below to see if there's anything going on now. I will encourage you though, if you have Kajabi and you have not been optimizing it, you're like, I don't understand how it can really help me create a profitable business. I'll link some resources for that below as well. I find for a lot of people, because they're launching their business often while they're getting started with Kajabi, the struggle is not necessarily the platform. It's figuring out what you want to do with the platform. And the more you know that you want and how it's supposed to work, the easier learning the platform will be. Bottom line, I feel Kajabi is 100% still worth it. There would be no reason in the world for me to go look for another platform at this point to save $40 to $50 a month when it continually makes me revenue every single day. So it wouldn't make sense. And honestly, there really isn't anything so bad that I feel like I'm missing out. So why change if it isn't broken, right? But for you, I know it's a big decision. I just would encourage you, really dig in to make sure you're optimizing the tool. Take advantage of some of the resource below. But I really do feel that if you find Kajabi works for you, that the price increase is still worth it. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you next time.